Hi all, hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to review this hand cream. Along with this, I'm going to share few tips and tricks to keep healthy your nails and skin around your nails. Now, why hand cream? It's winter and our hands are the body parts those get affected the most by day-to-day activities. There is always a tendency that our skin dries, becomes rough and even sometimes cracks. Especially in this pandemic time when we are washing our hands very frequently. Let's see how much helpful is the cream, and it's going to be an honest review. Please stay tuned with me till the end. This is Neutrogena hand cream, Norwegian formula concentrated. This is 56 gram and it's priced at Rs 390. This is a small plastic tube, so it's very easy to carry. Tube comes with an outer paper box, but I have thrown it out, so not able to show it here. Cap is quite tight, so there is no chance of spilling off the cream in your handbag. Cream is comparatively little pricey, but has 3 years of shelf life, which is good. Please remember to subscribe my channel if you have not done it yet, and press the bell icon to get notifications for all new videos. Please like, comment and share the video. I'm not able to take care of my hands for last few days for several reasons. So I thought to try this cream and see how good is this, and you can see here the condition is not so bad. It has a thick, transparent gel cream consistency with a mild, beautiful fragrance. The cream is quite thick, it's not at all runny. It doesn't get absorbed very quickly. At first, it will create a white layer, but it will go with the massaging. The brand claims that it delivers effective relief for severely dry and chapped hands. It's so concentrated that only a small amount instantly creates a moisture barrier to soothe dry skin, like wrapping your hands with a moisture bandage. Feel instant moisturizing result, long-lasting softness and overall healthier skin ever in harsh winter condition. Now what I can say, this cream didn't irritate the skin at all. It's truly concentrated, thus a little goes a long way. One dab will be enough, as they say. It doesn't absorb into the skin very quickly, but it instantly soothes and hydrates the skin, and you can see a visible difference. Quantity is small, and according to the price, I'd like a little more quantity. I feel it a little pricey as compared to the quality. And one more thing, it's not paraben free, not sulfate free or fragrance free. This is for your information. Today I'll talk about one more product, that is nail and cuticle oil. Today I have with me Vadi Naturals nail and cuticle oil. It comes with Vadi Herbals pedicure manicures packet. Today I'm showing this product, but any nail and cuticle oil will help. It has roll-on applicator which is easy to use. Massage oil in circular motion. You may please follow me on Instagram. One more thing to share, please try to use less water, but as this is really not possible, so while cleaning or washing, you may use this type of hand gloves. This will protect your hands and nails. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it and it was helpful. See you soon in my next video.